Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you practically step-by-step process of installation of IP CCTV camera system by using a POE switch. Let me show you my network diagram and physical connectivity. I already have an internet router and I will connect this with my POE switch via LAN cable. Then I connect my all other devices to this POE switch. Like I will connect my hikvision IP cameras to this POE switch via Cat6 LAN cable. I am using one indoor dome camera and two outdoor bullet camera in this video. Next I connect the IP NVR in the network via LAN cable. So this is the network diagram